G'day legends, Scotty Hillier here. Now if you're heading out in the field, having a good night's sleep, I've been there, I've done it, is so important. Also, a warm, comfy sleeping bag, trust me, can make or break your camping experience. Today we're going to be going through a few things that you need to consider if you're looking at getting yourself a sleeping bag to make sure it's right for you. Now the first thing and most obvious is to look for the temperature rating, which is situated on most sleeping bags, just here on the outside. Most will also feature a comfort limit and extreme rating to help guide your choice. As a general rule, start with the coldest temperature expected during your camping trip and align that number to the comfort rating of the sleeping bag. It's also worth considering that women on average have been scientifically proven to sleep colder than men. A handy tip, it's much easier to cool yourself down by unzipping the bag than it is to warm yourself up. There are three main shapes used when designing sleeping bags: rectangular, tapered, mummy, and each one of them have got their own benefits and characteristics. Rectangular sleeping bags are a perfect option for warm climates. They're considered the most spacious and provide added room for people who move around a lot in their sleep or larger adults. Let's talk tapered. The tapered sleeping bags are probably the most popular. The narrowed shape reduces bulk and allows them to pack down tightly while still allowing a bit of room to move. Mummy sleeping bags come equipped with a hood that can be pulled tight to retain warmth. This style is extremely compact and normally comes with an added shell protection against the elements. Oh, you feel that. Now the filling in a sleeping bag is the part that keeps you warm, and they generally come in two options, synthetic or down. Oh, so soft. Synthetic fills handle moisture and water exposure well and are usually quick to dry. Recommended as a more general purpose alternative, synthetic is ideal when storage and weight aren't an issue. On the other hand, down is an all-natural fibre created from goose feathers. It's incredibly resilient and far superior in its insulation qualities. While not being the cheapest, the warmth to weight ratio is unmatched, and its compressibility allows for easy stowing and transportation. Down is recommended for campers who are short on storage, who will be carrying the sleeping bag whether hiking, cycling or snow trekking. Well, there you go, legends. Don't let the cold stop you from getting outdoors. With the right sleeping bag, you can go anywhere. See you out there.